Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your Wix website. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Wix account, okay? Now, choose, after you log in into your Wix account, then you want to choose which website you want to add Amazon affiliate links to. Now, I would like to add affiliate links to this website, okay? Now, if you cannot find the website here, you want to click where it says all sites here in the top. If you can see it, all sites, and then you want to choose the website here. Now, anyway, after you choose, guys, a website, I would like to go with this one. Click on select and edit site. All right, now after, guys, you are here on the dashboard of your Wix website, you want to click here. It says edit site, as you can see, okay? Now, after, guys, you click on edit site, then what you guys need to do next is to start adding Amazon affiliate links. Now, first, let me show you how you can like sign up for Amazon affiliate program. It's very easy, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make Amazon like accept you in just a few minutes. Now, as you can see, guys, after you are here, now as you can see, this is really just a test website, okay? So this it isn't really designed or anything. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click this add elements in the top left here. You want to click this plus button here in the top left, click on it, and here what you guys need to do, you want to select here text, okay, the first one. And here you want to choose one of these texts. For example, I am a paragraph. Click here to add your own text and edit me. It's easy. So you want to add it, okay, the first one. Click on it, as you can see here. All right, now you clicked on it. I'm going to move it somewhere here where I want people to click on my Amazon affiliate link. Just move it somewhere, okay? I'm going to try to move it at the bottom, okay? I'm going to put it in the footer, maybe in the, yeah, I'm going to put it here, for example, okay? You can put it anywhere, and you can make this bigger if you want. Anyway, what you guys need to do is you want to click here, it says edit text, okay? After, guys, you click on edit text, you want to remove all this text that says I'm a paragraph, okay? That template, remove it. Now I want to add here, for example, to get this product, click here. Okay, this is the text I want to add. Now I am going to highlight here. Now whenever someone clicks on here, it will take them directly to Amazon Amazon products, and then I will get a commission each time someone buys the product. And the commission rate is going to be from 4% to 10%. Not all products are not all products get like 10% commission, okay? A few get 10%, other products almost like they get around like 4%, 5%, okay? Commission, okay? So this here, you want to highlight it, as you can see. Just select here alone, and then click on this link, okay? This link button, click on it. All right, now you want to click here on the web address, okay? You want to select the third option that says web address here, as you can see. All right, now of course you will have to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Now if you haven't done that already, just search for Amazon Associate, okay? Amazon.com associate, click on the first result. As you can see, it says here recommend products and earn commissions. You want to click on sign up. Now here you just need to add here your email address, okay? By the way, they will ask you guys for your website, okay? They will ask you for a website. Don't worry about this, just put your Facebook page or your Instagram page or your YouTube channel, or it can be just a YouTube channel that you don't even have access to, okay? Just your friend's channel, okay? You can add it, you can add your friend's channel, because they are going to ask you guys for a website, a website where you are going to promote these products, or you can add your Wix website, okay? That's even better. Now, as you can see, after you log in into Amazon Associate, now whenever you open amazon.com, you will see this bar in the top that says here influencers and associates size Stripe. As you can see, these products are selling fast. As you can, this bar, you will find it here in the top. Okay, now if you go to any just go to any product here, click on it. Now any product you click on it, you will be able to get this button that says here get link. That's of course after you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, or after you sign up for Amazon associate. Now as you can see, it says here full link or short link. Now I always go with the short link because it's short. Now just copy this link, and as you can see, it's trackable now. Now if someone clicks on this link, I will get a commission. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Wix website, and I'm going to paste that link here. It says web address URL. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to select here current web window or new window. Now if you want your customers, whenever they click on here on the link, it will take them, guys, it will like open a new window, or you can just redirect them using your current window. Okay, click on done. All right, now after you do that, now this is exactly how it's going to look like. I'm going to click on publish. Okay, I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to click on view site. After you click on view site, now if someone visits your site, you will be able to click on your Amazon product. As you can see, I'm going to scroll down where I have put the text. As you can see, this here is highlighted now. If I click on here, it will take me directly, guys, to Amazon product. As you can see, now if someone buys this product, or even if they buy something completely different from this product, I'm still going to earn a commission within 24 hours because I redirect them to Amazon. Okay, now that's exactly, guys, how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your Wix websites. If you have any questions, you can put this text next to a product or an image of the product. Put it in there, like at the bottom, or anywhere you want. Okay, you can just put it anywhere you want. If you want to put it next to the product or next to digital product or whatever. Now hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.